Hey, good evening, good evening, good evening. How's everybody doing out there? What a rough day it was for me. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious. Not a good New York trading session this morning. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Hopefully tonight's gonna be a little bit kinder to me. And we shall see though. We shall see. Or am I just got to throw the computer out the window? We shall see. Let's see. Turn the AC down here. Yeah, if you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash the lucky like button. We are going to be giving away a pretty account tonight, 50K EOD account. So pretty good stuff. Pretty good. We do have a little bit of liquidity up here on the ES. I'm watching 68.64, 68.70, which will put us back up near the session highs. We look. We have a point of control up here at 63. Session high was right around 76. NASDAQ as well. Now we do have the P point. We did not hit the P point today. Look, here's the P point today. We never hit it. So I do think that tonight or tomorrow, we're going to hit that P point. And if we come over and we actually look on the 4-hour time frame, look at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ could have a double top-ish pattern where the SP 500 clearly ended up breaking up higher. Hey, white boy, good evening. So hopefully the market's going to be kind to me tonight. We shall see. I'm kind of curious. Do we have any news coming out this morning? Or this morning? Woo! This evening. Let's go look at the economic calendar real quick. Hey, what is the ticker symbol? Give me a ticker symbol. We'll look at it. China has CPI tonight at 9:30. No outcome of Pakistan meeting. I don't know. We had a pretty good rip up earlier, but there's a lot going back and forth. Lebanon was going to talk with Israel. Israel then said, yeah, we'll talk, and then starts unleashing bombs again. Trump puts out a statement this afternoon or this evening. Iran is doing a very poor job of dishonoring, some would say of allowing oil to go through the Straits of Hormuz. That is not the agreement we have. Some would say, I don't know, that's kind of messed up. So we shall see. So we'll see if we hear any more news tonight, any more projectiles being launched and such. Dollar index gapped up tonight. Looks like gold may be down. Let's go look. Yeah, gold's been down so far. What about crude oil? Yeah, crude oil is kind of going sideways. PAYX. Paychecks. Ew. Ew, not looking so hot there. Hold on. Let me get a bigger picture view. Yeah. I don't know. We've had quite a few bars on the way down. Let me just pull a fib real quick. Sure, I'll pull 2 fibs. So we're almost at 61.8, and then we have one more fib. See if we can get external retracement if I have this set up. There we go. So I draw a zone down here like this. If we end up breaking through the low, I like this zone down here at 84.53 to 78.90 and see if we get a reaction from that point. But then on the daily, if we look at this on the daily, we spiked below the low over here. We spiked right at it. If we can hold above that low, maybe you'll end up with a double bottom pattern. However, I don't like the way this is set up, where you have a pretty sharp move up, decent pullback, but then we go sideways and start drifting down. I'm not really a fan of that. Not really a fan of how that's playing out. Kind of think that low is going to break. But if that low does hold, if it could hold, then we have the potential for a target all the way up here to 115. But I kind of think that low is going to break. And then that's going to push us down towards that little box right down there we just drew out. Hey, Mark, what's up? Good evening. And let's see what Bitcoin's doing tonight. Not a whole lot. Hey, not a problem. Not a problem. The problem was my trade. Oh, you see the high of the night right here. Right there by the session high. So, are we going to be able to push up and through it? Right now, we are at the second deviation on the VWAP. So is the ES. Short term, we did get to be overbought. You can see the red background, we're overbought. In the short term, maybe if we can spike that high, maybe I'll look for a short. Hey, Brian, what's up? Trades by GB. Is it bad if you're in a short now? Depends. What are you short in at what price? It depends. And what is your time horizon? We have the potential for a lot of movement in the markets tomorrow. All right. Roger's saying 25,673 to 24,950. Hey, Sam, what's up? I do like the 9 count over here on the ES. Let's see, NASDAQ get a 9 count? No. Oh, we did. We had a 9 count right there. Pretty good delta spike up and then no delta. So maybe if we break that high, maybe I'll take a quick little scalp short, maybe. Again, that green line right there represents the high of the day. Again, that's a free indicator within Ninja. So if you do have Ninja Trader, you can put that on your chart. It's called current open high low. And see when it's hot, when it's not. I really want to be short the NASDAQ at the moment, but we're too close to the high. I gotta wait. I gotta be patient. Today, I was not being patient. Very upset with that. Waiting for the next crisis. Waiting for the official. The deal is off. The deal is off. No deal. We agree we have no deal. Yeah, Eric, I'm still in that trade. Still in it. Oh, I don't have it. I'll have a tab down there. I'll put the tab open in a little bit. Looking to see if I want to get in this NASDAQ. Make sure I get the little mousy mouse. Oh, we do have a little bit of liquidity up here on the NASDAQ. 255 to 260. The high is 254.75. So I like that. So we come into that liquidity, spike the high, and run with it. Apple's in a short again. What price you in at, Apple? 175. I saw Delta earlier. Well, I know Trump came out with something earlier. We had a little spike down. Not too crazy, but a little bit. Huh. 5-minute chart. Visually looking at the chart, looks like we might have completed an ABC pattern. Let me just draw this out real quick. Yeah, we did. We just completed the ABC pattern. So normally after we complete an ABC pattern, the market does something other than continue in that direction. So that could be a little pullback, and I want to be short, but not close to the high. I'm a little bit nervous. I know as soon as I go short, this thing's going to rip. I so bad want to short it, but I'm nervous with the high being right above us. And that liquidity could be trying to draw price up there. So, yeah, dump. Don't dump yet. Wait for me to get in. Just spike the high real quick so I can get in. Yeah, that's what I was looking at, Raj. Second band touch. Yes, almost hit the second band, not quite. But I'm watching these two liquidity pockets right here and then the high of the day. So two liquidity areas right here, 255 and 260. Might not give me a shot though. Screw it. Let's go. Let's see if we go down towards that 200 EMA. Watch is going to rip now. I'm a little bit worried about the high of the day being tested and grabbing that liquidity, but maybe we'll dip down to the 200 first and then rip up there and get it. Maybe. That'd be a good short if I get paid on it. I had way too many losing trades today in New York. Not a fun day of trading. I had a little mini tilt session after the stream this morning. Come on down. Get it. I gotta remember at night too, things are a lot slower typically. We also gotta be mindful that we get news out of anywhere. BK on the stream, I was down. After the stream, I got really down. And then I finished on my chart trader. It showed I was up like $600, but after commissions, I was only up like $100. Just shy of $100 actually. So, but I mean, I got stupid after the stream. It was not good. Was not good. I got down pretty big. Way more than my low water mark on the stream. So, not good. Definitely took a lot out of me today. Going that red, that was just not fun. Fought the move all the way up. I kept looking for kind of similar to this. Whenever we're by the high of the day, usually I keep trying to push until we break it. We're by the low of the day today. I kept trying to look for the break of the low and it didn't do it. Then it bounced up. Then I kept trying to short it. Then it got ugly from that point on. Hey, don't forget, we also got Russia playing games with the UK now too. Making threats of cutting their internet cables in the seas. So that won't be good. I'm gonna see if I can see any. Scroll through social media real quick, see if I see anything. Yeah, it happened on Saturday. So the market will probably stay optimistic over the weekend, though. We shall see. I don't really see anything. I don't see anything on social media I haven't already seen. We're gonna probably bust this up. I closed it, got a small loss. I knew I should have waited. At least I was smart enough not to take the full loss. watch me get in after it breaks a high and then get stopped still. Oh man, that'd be funny. I feel like we want the high of the day. Oh, good look out, Chris. Smash the lucky like button. Come on, hit the high of the day. Take out that liquidity. Liquidity we have right here at 255. Get it. It says Iran negotiations all day tomorrow. Oh boy. And Saturday. So Friday and Saturday. Oh boy. I don't remember if that's the same liquidity. I don't know if I looked up that high last night. I don't remember. Negotiating to negotiate. They're gonna agree to have more negotiations in the future. We might have been. I can't remember what price it was at last night, though. It could have been the same price. Come on, just take that liquidity. Go a little bit higher. Take out the high of the day, high of the night. See that Delta? They trade that order. Wow, it really didn't want to fill me on that. Hopefully it doesn't go take the other liquidity. See right there, the big bubble there, and then you see the Delta down here. That order was transacted. Trump's going to speak in 8 minutes. I don't see that. Oh boy. Hey Raj, hopefully you're wrong. Hopefully we don't hit the third deviation band before I'm out of this short. I want to say a retouch of this 200 EMA. Yeah, I heard one oil ship, but it was an Iranian ship. Yeah, we got this. We got the straits open for Iranian ships only. Oil right now is at 98.89. Come on back. Come on back. Come on. Get it. Hit my target. Let's go. Should have waited. I should have followed my first instinct. Wait for the high to be taken. Then go ahead and put the short on. Nope. I didn't wait. Now I just need the market to come down to 200 EMA. Yeah, it's not over with yet. First trade, I got out for a small loss. I don't think I lost that much though. Maybe $60 ish. So I can get out of this trade and make back what I lost in the last trade plus a little extra. But if we can go down a little bit more, that'd be more gooder. Total Dork, I appreciate that. Thanks for smashing the lucky like button. Something I forgot to do. Bam. There we go. Don't you go back up there. Sure hope it doesn't. I gotta put my phone on the charger. Come on down. You got this. You can do it. Tomorrow, hey, could be tomorrow's CPI report could be muted with the talks in the Middle East. Very well could be. Could be headed for a nasty or big gap on come Sunday night. Shh. We don't want to talk about my short yet. Don't let the market know I'm in a short. Mr. Market, I'm really long. I know you want my money. Go down there and get my stop loss. Hey, Brian, I agree with you. I've traded like crap the last month and a week. Had a couple good days here and there, but overall, I've struggled. I ended up down in all the prop accounts today. I was down a lot more at one point. I ended up anywhere from $7 to $18 down after commissions. So, but I was down a couple hundred dollars at one point in those accounts. I know you get the random news out of nowhere. Yeah, today was not my day. Was not my day. Almost think I probably should have took that profit off. Almost think I should have taken it. I hope I don't regret that. I was debating on taking that here as we were close to 200, but I was like, let's get a little bit more. Let's get a little bit more. ES has not taken its its liquidity yet, right up here at 64 and 70. And the NASDAQ has another area right up here at 260. Always take the surf coupon. Yeah, I should have. They gave it to me. I was being greedy. Being greedy. The greedy become the needy. I'm kind of curious to see what the Nikkei is doing. China has CPI at 9:30. Really wish I would have took that now. Really wish I would have taken that. We need that 260 to reject price back down. I do anyways. Look at that liquidity. You can see the big delta down there. 23.6. Oh boy. Roger's saying third deviation band. Yes, just hit the second deviation band. NASDAQ got about the 2.5 deviations away from VWAP. Yeah, no deal. I think the deal's gonna fall apart as well. Closed it. All good. So if we look over here on the ES, we just took out the point of control right there. What about NASDAQ? NASDAQ's already above the point of control. Actually, NASDAQ's threatening, got above today's high as well. Yeah, buddy. Let's look at Nikkei real quick. Yeah, Nikkei is up 856. HSI will be open here in a little bit. So HSI is not quite open yet. I feel I'm going to go green to red again. Oil back to S120. We shall see gold. Hmm. See if we can get back to opening price. All right, let's see. Can we get a deeper pullback here? Come on. Pull on back. Let's go back to opening price now. Look, here's what Raj was talking about. All right, here's the first band, second band, third band we did hit. Now can we start to return back towards the VWAP? A little bit. We look over here on the ES. ES hit the second band. No, ES hit the third band as well. Oh, Bookmap was blocking it. All right, thanks. Yeah, so here's the ES. Hit the third band. Yeah, Mr. NASDAQ. Right here. Also hit the third band. I need one of those Trump tweets to come out. Hey, Venezuela inflation was 71.8% in the first 3 months of 2026. Holy crap. And closed at 13.1% in March. Yeah, we spiked way above that regression channel right there too. Best way to keep up with news? I use Financial Juice. Hey, Eric, what is what on average? Oh, man, you gotta come up there and stop me out again. I don't need one of these nights. Already had a rough enough day this morning. You don't need to do this to me again. And it really stinks is the first trade I was up like 180, 190. Closed out right before my stop loss. This trade I've been up over 100 on it. Been up almost 200 on it. 180, 190. Yeah, it is good to know when headlines drop. So you at least know if you see a big move, what it was. Normally what I've been doing recently is see a big move, look at crude oil, and I'll give you a good idea is whatever the move happening in the equities related to something going on in the Middle East. Good looking out. Smash that looky like button, guys and gals. Come on, don't go back up. Well, usually when CL goes up, NASDAQ goes down, and vice versa, at least recently. With all the turmoil in the Middle East. Where did the VIX close out today. VIX closed out the session low, 19.48, down 7.46%. Decent little range. Back down in the teens. Everything is fine. Nothing to worry about. Come on in. The water is warm. See him get into a fist fight. Yeah, Brian, pool's all filled up today. I had nightmares last night. I kept waking up thinking the pool was flooded. I had one where I opened up the French doors to go outside and water came blasting into the house. Oh, man. That might play a part into some of how I traded this morning, but I don't know. I doubt that. That'd just be an excuse. In a slow market, I know better than a short it, and here I am. No, hey, Eric, didn't go swimming yet. They still got to wait 2 to 3 days before we can swim. They got to filter everything out through the filter. Any of the sedimentation and stuff from the final finish. How did I set them up? First, I downloaded them and then just put in the size. I got 6.3. You can do whatever size you want. If you want a higher time frame, maybe like a 12.6, 2010, something like that. Hey, Raj, I hope you're right. VWAP's down there at 231 right now. I'm trying to front run the opening price, which you can't see it on this chart. But here's the opening price right here. I'm front running. But it's just not wanting to go down there yet. It goes down there, right back up. So they just won't get it down there. They're scared. I know we need Trump someone needs to hand Trump a smartphone device. Let him go out there and say, hey, you need to go on Truth Social. Inform the people of what's going on. Are you going to really take that crap from Iran? Get them all juiced up, all upset, and hand them the phone. Hey, Rapid, what's up? Hey, Cheryl, opening price from tonight at 6 p.m. No, hey, this is a recording. Crypto, Soul Child, this is a recording. Not live, not live. 12.4, 25. I mean, play around with whatever settings people like. Trump taco diarrhea. All I have the market makers. One prayer an hour facing Wall Street. I say it's to go down. If we get on the opening price, I'll actually be pretty happy with that. I'd be pretty happy. Just now, if we can just go whoosh, that'd be even better. This is my channel. This is my second channel. I stream at night on the other channel, mess up the YouTube algorithm. It gets mad if I put out too much content. And I may in the future, but I like to use this channel to test things out. Come on down. I'm loving that song. Keep my jam playing. Let's go. Yeah, pretty much. I stream at night on this channel. I do prop firm videos and order flow videos and stuff on this channel. The other channel I stream in New York and pretty much just, I do a lot of analysis videos on that channel. And I may even just quit streaming on the other channel altogether. I don't know yet. We'll see. Why just do all the streaming on this channel? I like to play around with short videos and stuff too. I need to find my battery for my GoPro. I can't find my batteries for my GoPro. Trying to get ready for Costa Rica. Be like, chink. Be like, I see you. I see you. Yeah, aim for smaller targets. I probably should, Raj. But I got a sickness going on right now and I can't cure it. Because I've been up on most of the trades that have lost on. No, hey, Atomic, I'm not going to quit streaming in the morning, but I might stream that eventually. Not right now, but in the future, I might do all that on this channel. As a test. I don't know. We're going to see. We will see. Or vice versa. I don't know yet. So Nasdaq's the only indice in the green. That's the one I'm short. Oh yeah, I went on tilt today too after the stream. I was getting there before we got off stream, and then after stream, I got down really not a good day. You guys would have said, "Who is this?" I think one of the trades I had on was about 12 contracts deep. And that didn't work. That trade was not a winning trade. Yeah, stay away from the news and the media. But, I mean, the good news is I got, you know, somewhere around $100 I was up for the day. But I got down several $1,000. Low water mark in the New York session was 1,500. I can't remember what I closed the stream out at. And after the stream, I was at some point I was down over $3,000. I tell you, I don't normally have intermediate down days. It's either barely down or I'm down and it's gonna be really ugly. Hey, we do Gamblers Anonymous channel. Hi everybody, my name's Mike. So, that's funny. Come on, keep on coming on down. Yeah, I was pretty excited. Well, I think, you know, I didn't sleep very well last night, but I don't want to use that as an excuse. I got fixated on the low being broken today, and I didn't let go of that narrative soon enough. And it cost me. Gave me a whole lot of stress that was not needed today. Stop trying to make money. Yeah, I agree with that, Rapid. That's probably a pretty good statement. Chasing losses. I was definitely on chasing losses this morning. I was definitely in that mode this morning. No, I have two different. That's actually a good question. So I have two separate VWAPs. I'll show you. So I have one VWAP. Let me scroll back to. So during the New York session, we'll see this. Actually, I have two different VWAPs. All right. I have one that starts at 6 p.m. right here. Then I have one that starts at 9:30. So I have two VWAPs during the New York session that I'm watching. But at night, I'm only looking at the one from 6 o'clock. So Raj only uses one. That's the one from 6 p.m. I did for a while then. I don't remember why I started looking at the New York session VWAP. I don't remember. But a lot of times you'll see if they're kind of on top of each other like this, we'll get right back in between them. So Rinko is a 6.3. I may end up bumping that up in the near future. I might switch that up a little bit. This is what I'm thinking, but we'll see. Yeah, that's true. The guys have a chance of getting their order filled. Around the VWAP. They're trying to defend the position around there too. I might even be in for a doozer here. Hey Raj, what I really like to see is, I wonder if I can see it. Let's go pull up the NQ VWAP. I'll see if I can show you guys an example. That's what I really, really, really like a lot when it does it. That's not a good day for it. Okay, so like right here. All right, you're below VWAP, you come above it, you start trying to fade it back down. You come down below VWAP, I can start fading it. But the moment we come up the VWAP and we fail to hold above it and we start coming down, I no longer want to fade that back up. I like to keep going with the VWAP because that's when you tend to get trend days. Now this day we did end up retaking it, but a lot of times you'll see that and it'll end up forming a trend day. Yeah, Eddie, I'm short right now. I'm only up $70 on it. Been up a little bit more. Probably going for too big of a move, to be honest with you on it. Market's probably going to grind up a little bit. Take my lunch money. Let me start off tomorrow in the hold. I was think. What's up with this? Why is my... I don't have it to my MACD indicator. Just disappeared on me. Watch that. I had one and it pops up. I don't know. It's been doing that recently. It's weird. Really, really weird. Yeah, you get enough people looking at anything, you're bound to get a reaction. China Central Bank injects 2 billion won. We got 10 minutes until HSI opens up. And we have news out of China. We have CPI and PPI coming out at 9:30. We'll see if that moves the market or not. 886 on the short from earlier. Nice. Good deal on that. I had way too many losing trades today. Way too many. I don't want to get there with that. Yep, we're going to do a giveaway tonight at Perdia 50K account. EOD account. And something I failed to mention last night when we were talking about Perdia. Let's go look at this. They have the best. By far, I think they have the best instant funding accounts. No consistency rule. $3,000 profit target. $3,000 drawdown. EOD accounts. 90-10 profit split. Here's something I failed to mention with you guys. You guys are saying, oh, 15 days to get a payout. Because you have to trade a minimum 10 days or to get funded or whatnot. Well, if you actually look. So if you start on step 1, you have to pass the eval 5 days or more. It doesn't matter. A minimum 5 days. But then once you're in step 2, this is real money that you're building up to take live, not just a percentage of it. If you end up building up $100,000 in step 2, you're going to take $100,000 to live. And there is no payout max that you can take out. But if you drain your account, so if you get moved to live, let's say you made $100,000 right here, you get moved to live, you take $100,000 out, all your money out, they will ban you. They want you to be able to stay around and trade. But they don't have no payout caps, which is pretty awesome. No news rules, no consistency rules. So pretty good stuff. So just think about everything in step 2. Whatever money you're making in step 2 is your money that you're taking to your live account. So you're technically in money. If you buy an instant funding account, you're in money on day 1. If you buy an evaluation, once you pass the evaluation, minimum 5 days, that's actually your money you're building up. They don't say, oh, we're only going to give you 20% of the money you made. You get all of it. All this money you make in this account goes to your live account. So. Do I have a daily loss limit in live? They set you up with a private risk management manager. I don't know how that works. I just started trading with them. I've been in drawdown trying to get it back. MFF Rapid, I think, has caps on it. MFF has caps on some of their accounts. Let's go check real quick. Let's go check. FAQ. We'll look at let's look at the Rapid. That's the daily payout one. Let's see. Most of them will cap how much you can take to live. Let's see. Maybe it's not this one. I know some of the accounts in the past had a cap. Transition to live parameters. Let's read about that. Net profit achieved. Oh, wait. Maybe I shouldn't have been the Rapid one. Oh, yeah. Look right here. Up to $5,000 of sim funded profits are allocated to your live account. So if you have 100,000 in there, you're only going to get 5,000 in your funded account. Where in Perdia, you get everything you make in this account gets transferred over. So that's a big difference. Now their accounts are a little bit more, but they don't have a whole lot of rules. They do not have a whole lot of rules. So BK right now at 885. I'm currently red on my trade. I was up about $200 on. You got the Rapid one? Yeah, so I still have my MFF account. And I said whenever I blow it, I'm probably going to buy 150K Rapid accounts is what I'm thinking. But Yeah, I've talked to a couple people that's had payouts with Perdia. I haven't. I've only had the account I have right now, and it's in drawdown. I haven't been trading very good recently. So it's only down a couple $100. I have this account right here. I have this account right here. 100K instant funded account. And I'm down a couple $100 in it. Nothing crazy. So once I get out of this funk, I should be all right. You son of a biscuit eater. Ah. You like the pro account? See, I don't know. You know, a lot of people ask me about the pro account. That's probably my least favorite. I'm still on the legacy account with MFF. But for me, the way I like to trade, I think with MFF, my two favorite accounts would be the Flex or the Rapid. One of these two would be my favorite. The Flex or the Rapid. Pro account's on sale right now, pretty cheap. But it'd be the Flex. Because look, if you look at the Pro, you can only trade 3 contracts. The other two, you can trade 5, which that's not really a problem. But if you were ever to scale up and build a nice buffer, it'd be nice to be able to scale up your contract size as well. And 5 would be plenty. I'm about to close that short out. We're gonna probably bust that high again. Closed it. All right, went green to red. God, dog it. How about MFF with the Flex? I don't know. Hey, let's go look at that. Let's go look. I have a legacy account, so it doesn't. Like I said, I haven't had to worry about that, but let's go look. How much did I take it live? Let's see if this is the one. Transition to live, achieving 5 payouts or reaching a sim cap of 100K. Live account parameters will be as follows. Initial balance, $2,000 per account. So they'll move you $2,000 per account. So the Rapid, you can get more money moved to live account. And to be honest with you, most people don't make it to live anyways. But, you know, the goal should be to try to get to live. In my personal opinion. Yankee is probably going to go to the high again. I'm down for the night. So done with today. So done with it. ES still pushing up higher. Not back at session high yet, though. Oil's up 89 cents. So. You're saying I'm good. You don't know how much wear and tear that took out of me today. That was a lot of stress today, this morning. Get my butt kicked on stream and then make it even worse after stream. Then coming back, we'll just call it essentially break even. That was a nightmare. Spent way too much in commissions. Way too much. Let's go look at CL. It's up 91 cents. But when I looked at the chart last, it kind of looked like it was going sideways. Yeah, it looks like it's going sideways. Gold's kind of going sideways. Only thing going up is NASDAQ. NASDAQ just took out the highs. No, hey, I have whiteboard. You can't swim yet. We have to wait 2 to 3 days, they said. Let all the stuff from the final finish and the last acid wash they did, all that filtered through the filtration system. But man, I want to go swimming so bad. So bad. But Hey, iTrades, what's up? And we are going to be giving away one of these pretty accounts tonight. So if we got your ducks well rested, if you guys want to check out Perdia or any of the other prop firms that I partnered with, don't forget to use code Mike, as I do appreciate it. It allows me to do these giveaways. Oh crap, I didn't realize Jesse's ready. Oops, I just saw his text. All right, hold on, we're gonna get the software pulled up for Jesse. Maybe Jesse will be my good luck. Yes, Jesse's gonna be my good luck tonight. Get me out of this funk. See where his ATR bands are at. Let me see. All right, folks, let's go ahead and get Jesse on. Here's Jesse as we're ripping the new highs.
Let's get it.
We said, let's get it. All right, I shorted it.
Yep.
I shorted it for you. All because of you. You said, let's get it.
I meant to the long side, but okay.
Now you tell me.
Let's see. What are we doing?
Just giving donations out.
Tell me about it.
What's
up, everybody?
That's like 9:30.
So
You're home early.
Yeah.
Let's see.
All right, so we left VWAP behind us.
Mm-hmm.
Way down there. We
Way down there. We're at the third band. We're at the third band.
Okay.
ES and NASDAQ.
Yeah.
But crude oil's trying to pull back here a little bit. Then we got the Nikkei up. Nikkei's up 975. We're coming into being short-term overbought. See the red background. Apex old account, 5-day pending. Yeah, they have the new system set up for the new accounts. I have legacy accounts with Apex myself, but I'm not close to payout right now. I'm still in survival mode. Uh-oh. Raj gonna look for a short. I like it, but I mean, I've been getting run over too. So if I like it, Raj, it probably means it's not going to work out. Not today, not as of April 9th.
Yeah. Oh, me too, dude. I got run the beep over this morning. The difference is you've got discipline and I don't.
Yeah. Hey, Rapid, I think it's per payout. Hey, Rapid, it's over per payout. Not withdrawal. Well, that's not really true, Jesse.
Yeah. I just chalk it up to you've been trading for, what'd we say, 21 years? And I've got 4 years, so.
Yeah, I still wish there was no such thing as bad days.
Don't we all, my friend?
Yeah, watch, you're gonna take my lunch money again. Then we go to bed and just cry, and you can stay on the stream the rest of the night.
Well, let me zoom in on the spot gamma and see what Hero's doing here.
That's moving up.
Yeah.
So I decided to fade it. It's got to be wrong. It's a glitch.
What's interesting to me is that NQ, we've got we got levels all around us here, but on ES, I ain't seeing nothing. Oh yeah. So we got a level on a spot gamma level up at for ES up at 68.92. That's friggin' way up there.
Make a video for you with further KYC identification. Oh boy. Hey Eddie, I wonder why that is.
That's odd.
They must be scared of him. Eddie just got a second max payout.
Oh boy.
Or he's trying to get it. He put in for it.
Oh, Eddie.
Uh-oh.
I just got a volume short. Hopefully this pulls back for you.
So what are you saying? I need to move my target down. That's really been the problem I've had. I want bigger moves, but
so the 38's down at 279. Where's your target?
Well, I was just looking at 279. That's a 200 period EMA. Hey, where's the 23%?
I cannot believe you're asking me about my favorite percentile. It's at 284-ish.
I'm at 283.75. So I'm moving it down. I'm not getting out that level. I refuse. Oh, hey, Rapid. So on MFF, yeah, 15K over 5 payouts. Correct. In the 50K account. Actually, Flex might only come in 50K. Let's go look. Oh, no, they have the Flex in 150. Hold on. No, it only comes in the 50K. And maybe the 25K. Yeah, and the 25K, 50 and 25K. So yeah, 15K. Yeah, I know. I'll probably bounce right off it and then run up and stop me out. That'll be the story of the day.
Oh, that's what happened earlier. It pulled back to the 23. Oh, you saw my comment. I said 23.6.
No, hey, I didn't see it.
Yeah, you laughed about it earlier in the chat.
Maybe I'm just so brain dead from today.
Probably. Me too.
Today just wore me out.
I got my ass handed to me. But the good news is I'm out of the doghouse with the wife, so that's good.
Oh, that's even better.
Yeah.
That's the best news. I was thinking you got to come over here, and then we were going to get that cataprog out.
Okay, so Raj is calling out 25,280. So we've got a QQQ call wall at 282. That's a converted level, of course. We've got the 23.6 at 284, and then we've got the 38.2, Mike? I'm learning these.
38.2.
That's at 280. So Raj, I like your 280 call out. I agree with it. Let's go.
Hey, happy kids trades. What's up? What's up? Good evening. I see CL at 91. That's gonna probably be hard to do before this weekend. Just given the meetings going on tomorrow and Saturday. So we're prone to any kind of headline risk tomorrow.
Sods, I do not like the doghouse. I assure you, my friend.
It's not bad. I mean, just put a flea collar on. You're good.
You guys are reminding me of remember the Snoop Doggy Dogg music videos?
Oh yeah.
From the, what was that? Early 90s, maybe?
Probably mid 90s.
That CD cover with the dogs.
Yeah. Yeah, I forgot about that. Oh, Raj says this pause is not good. Oh boy.
Maybe. Let me take a look at Bookmap.
You're always in the doghouse.
I don't know. We've got that. Look right above. Right at 300. We've got some. Where's your stop?
303.
Yeah. Well, you got 66 contracts for sale at 300. So let's see.
No, let's not see. Let's run away from it. Be scared of it.
Yeah, they have been doing that. They've been trying to.
You're gonna be mad?
Hey, I got an idea.
What?
Use your live account to stack another 100 contracts right there at 300. They'll
Nah,
run
I'm
away
too
from you.
way my days went. Linja only let me do 50, but way my days went, oh man, they'll run up there and get it, and then Trump will come out with a tweet. I'll blow up everything.
Here we go. They're trying to pull it back. I'm hearing sellers. Let's see.
Oh man,
Aggressive sellers on the tape. Let's go.
calling out 25,305.
I was on top chat. Let me switch to live chat so I don't miss anybody. Okay, 305.
Look at your email. I'll check it out. Hope you're having a wonderful day.
Hi-Fi says, you guys must be married or dating Latinas. Yeah, I am.
Oh, you're dating? You're not married? Ooh, I'm going to tell her.
But
I'm going to tell her.
I think the point was Latins. Yeah, for sure.
Man, what is up with my email? It just keeps going over. Wow, this is jacked up how I have to read it. Ah.
Oh, Atomic German's just as bad. I got German family. Just as bad.
So what you're saying is everybody's bad.
Yeah, everybody's just bad.
What is going on here? I can't put this window over. Oh my goodness. Trying to read this email from Eddie, and now this stupid browser window is jacking me up. Stop.
Hey, you're in the money on that trade.
For a time being. Let's just get my hopes up.
Oh, they're stacking orders down. Let's go. I heard it. Oh, the buyers are fighting back. Oh.
Jeez. All right. Submitted 2 brief video recordings. Huh.
25,300. You have a gamma level there? I don't. Am I missing something? Oh, I'm only using the intraday converted levels. That's right. I turned off the static levels.
Oh, hey, Eddie, it talks about maybe consider as part of the upcoming expansion of the Apex Live department. You stupid market.
Hidden classical gems.
Hey, Eddie.
Bookmap.
They're talking about live expansion. So your numbers might be so good you're scared they want to put you in live in the future.
You might be moving on up, Eddie.
Maybe. That's the positive side. You lost 4K from your buffer. Oh, dang it.
Ooh. Chill out, Eddie.
I was down 3 something today.
Oh,
probably almost 4, right around 4. Might have even been 4. I don't know. I went on
4,500 this morning. It was bad.
Now, was it 4,500 or was it? Or was it like 20 something?
Yeah, it was 45 times 5. It was real bad.
So when I have a bad down day in the proper counts, I see $20,000-$30,000 down. I'm like, holy crap. So 12-step program. Hey, well, step 1, you gotta admit you have a problem. I don't have a problem. I'm not addicted to it.
Oh, by the way, it tagged the 23.6 retracement.
Hey, F that 23.6.
Hopefully we blow through.
I'm gonna show you that ain't shh. Hey, Mr. Market, I'm just joking. Just joking. Go see your friend down at the 38.2.
Hey, what's interesting is we have a QQQ call wall right at the 38 retracement, right there. Interesting. Although we shouldn't even really be above that anyways if it's a call wall, right? So we blew through it.
Oh boy.
Uh-oh. There's Apple again.
Yeah, he did that earlier.
With the sporting equipment. The sellers are in control, though, of the volume pressure anyways.
They don't feel like they're in control. They need to hurry up and get my target.
Yeah. I mean, they're not pushing hard, but they're in control.
I might move my target down, actually. Same problem I said has been causing me problems. I think I'm going to do it again. I want to see if we can get down to that first band on the View app around 264. So I'm going to front run that. So here's what I'm looking at. I'm going to see if we can come all the way down to here. Oh boy.
Well, take a look if you don't mind.
What's up?
Never mind.
Hey, can you get rid of your 23 point whatever Fibonacci retracement? This market's trying to bounce, so you need to take that off your indicator so it doesn't know it's there.
Yeah. Oh shit. Shoot, sorry.
Should have got out. Why don't you tell me to get out?
I believe, folks, can you help me out here? I believe I mentioned.
I heard no such. That's all hearsay. OG Ray-Bans. $500 for them now? Wow. Hey, Eddie. Well, it says maybe transfer into the live expansion in the future. So they want to understand you a little bit more. Hey, what I would do, Eddie, is I would record myself, but just take one little scalp trade and be done with the video. Oh, that's my trade for the day. Good looking out, Chris. Smash that lucky like button. That's the problem. I haven't been smashing the like button on this channel. I haven't logged in to smash it. What? Hey, what if
I wonder if you could do that, just trade in the nude or like just your underwear.
Hey, just have it like just wear your banana hammock and go like, hey, my name is Mike Swartz. I'm here. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna day trade today. Make sure they're like, wow, what the F is wrong with this guy? Every time you win a trade, just get up and dance.
I'd love to be a fly on the wall in the offices over there when that video comes through. You know they'd be laughing.
That would be funny as could be. Hey, Eddie, you should tell them, hey, well, usually I charge for my videos. You can go subscribe to my OnlyFans page and see all the videos of me there if you'd like. Uh-oh.
You could reply and say, hey, I trade nude on OnlyFans. Are you sure you want a video?
I got into train, so I didn't have to put clothes on in the morning. Yeah, instant live account.
Instant live account. All right, good job, Eddie. No, they did that to me before. I had to do that. It's no big deal.
Yeah, his talks about their thing about transition live and stuff.
That's fine. Don't let it.
It's only 2 videos too.
Don't let it get you, right? That's the thing. Don't let it mentally get you. You'll be all right. But since then you're angry. See, yeah, you're letting it get you. You can't do that. That's what happened to me. I got through a whole week of those videos. I called Mike. I was like, dude, I'm successfully through the week. I'm good, man. And I was like, all I had to do was get to Monday and flip a micro and get max payout.
Hey, and I begged him, Jesse, just flip. No, I got this. I'm good. It's like, please, please, please.
Dude, I was so happy to have it behind me. I got through that whole process and then I thought I was good. And mentally, it still got to me. So.
And I could tell in your voice when I talked to you, I was like, oh man, I really hope he doesn't mess this up. I could just tell like your euphoric levels. I was like, oh boy.
Yeah. Hey, Raj, mine was worse, dude. It was $8,900 times. I don't even remember how many
Ooh.
Apex accounts. It was a lot, Raj.
Yeah, I thought I was like, wow, Jesse's he's good. There's no way he could, like, I was thinking in my head, I didn't say this to Jesse, but when he had that run, I was like, wow, he's got, look, there's no way he can fail now.
Dude,
And it was a couple days later.
yeah, and I lost it all in one day.
That's usually what happens.
Unbelievable too. I mean, that's why I've come to really like these daily loss limits. Oh,
No, he lost 89 per account.
yeah.
How many did you have? 10 or 20?
At that time, I think I had
18 or something, wasn't it?
It was 18 or 16. It was
Yeah.
16 or 18 accounts. So let's just go on the conservative side. Let's do 16 times
All
8,900.
right, we got to do this. Let's just see how bad this was. 8,900 times 16.
There you
Woo!
go. That's how much Jesse lost in payouts right
that
there
stinks.
in one day. And all I had to do was
Wow.
flip one micro that day.
Wow.
All I had to do was successfully get a trade day in and get past the market close.
That sucks.
Let their systems update, and boom.
That sucks.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, man. Oh.
Now, technically speaking, that payout was only going to be, what was their max back then? 5K, I think.
Yeah, but you still had plenty of buffer and stuff.
Yeah,
so.
the rest was going to be the buffer, but I lost that too.
Golly, that stinks.
I know.
Man, I feel bad for you now.
And believe it or not, that was my second worst
Oh, really?
payout loss. Yeah, that was a year and a half ago, I think.
What was the worst?
The worst was just a few weeks ago when I had those
Oh.
friggin' 25 accounts.
Yeah.
Yep.
I was begging you then, please. Just flip a day. Just flip a day.
All I had to do
is flip a day.
Yeah, all I had to do was trade up one micro for 2 days.
He's like, nah, I got this.
Unbelievable.
That's when we think that. Nah, I got this. I'm good. That's when we mess up.
The problem is, it's like not one thing, but a series of things can just look. I'm worse than the average person, so don't take this the wrong way, guys. But it's like the littlest things can add up and just friggin' drive us bonkers, right?
Facts.
I mean, if I had an ounce of friggin' self-control, man. Yeah, like news candles, exactly.
I mean, that's what happened to me kind of after the stream today.
That's what happened to me this morning. Yeah, for sure. Well, I was
just
also
so fed up. I was just like, this is BS.
Yeah, in my defense, I had some other stuff going on too. But, shouldn't be trading if you got other stuff
Yeah,
going on.
yeah, that's exactly so. Hey, you gotta remember, it's always our fault.
Yep,
always our fault. Because not trading is a trading decision.
Yeah.
I'm just not good at that one. I'm gonna fail that one every time. Dude, you need help. Seriously, it'll help. Hey, Rapper, we're talking about missing payouts, like blowing up payouts. Blowing up when you have a payout. All you had to do was like flip to get a payout, and you blow up the account, lose it all.
Mm-hmm.
That sucks. It just bounced off that 200 EMA.
Yeah, and it got almost down to the 38. Oh, well, it wicked it. It wicked it.
Oh, flip? Hey, rapid flip means, so let's say, just like if you're in a take profit trader account where you have to trade it for 5 days, let's say you've met your profit objective in 2 days. The quickest you can do it is 2 days. We still got to trade 3 more days. So you can go in one micro, like an MES, and just hit buy, sell, be done for the day. Next day, 6 o'clock rolls around sometime in Asia. You pop on the MES, buy, sell, like in and out within a matter of seconds.
Yeah.
And then that counts as that's a flip.
And I'll give the real life example. So on Tradeify, I choose the select account and I choose the 5-day payout, right?
That's what I did too.
So I was on day number 4. I reached the max payout over the buffer. Like I was ready to go. And Mike said, dude, all you got to do is trade 1 micro tomorrow, bro. And you got this. Did I do that? No.
I remember you saying, I got this.
Me. Yeah. Triggered me, tilted, and boom, blow up.
I remember calling, I was like, oh man, how'd you do? You won't even believe it. I was like, oh, goodness.
I was like, we probably should just get off the phone because I know you're tired of hearing this story.
Yeah, it's tough, man. It's tough. It's not easy. You know, when things are good, it's very easy. But when it's bad, we can do a lot of damage really quick. Yeah, so on Lucid they do, but not. So Apex didn't have that. He already had the days in Apex. You have to have 5 days, and then you can flip the last 3.
I'm glad you said that, Yaya, because that was the problem. Because I was copying Lucid with my TPT and Apex and all of it, Tradeify. And so I was 1 day from payout, but I had to get that trade day in over on Lucid. And I was like, I'll just do a mini. I'll just get my one. I'll just get, you know what I mean? Like I wanted it to be a trade day on all the prop firms, not just one. So while Mike had excellent advice and I probably should have followed it, my dumbass thought it'd be smarter to just get $150 or whatever. Actually, I had Apex accounts, so I think I needed 200. Don't they have a $200? I can't remember.
It depends on account size.
Yeah. They're 150K accounts across the board. So I think there's your 38. 70. Actually, that's a bigger one.
I'm trying to go all the way down to that first band.
Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, but to be fair, it's a lot easier to give somebody else advice when you're not the one in the weeds.
Yeah.
Like, I was looking at it from the outside saying, hey, this is what you should do. He's like, I got this. We're getting it all.
Well,
give me all the money.
Like my average trade is like $400 and something, right? So I figured, I'll just open it and close it and I'm good. Well, the problem is then I was in panic mode when it's going against me, right? And then you're panicking, then you're like, all I need is $100 here. So I'm smashing buttons, moving my stop. Before you know it, poof. It's crazy.
It happens quick. It goes quick.
Yeah.
It's funny how one bad trading decision of the day can wreck your entire day, wreck your accounts. It's crazy. We're like, wow, if I would have just stopped, if I would have just took my stop loss there, if I would have just got out, if I would have just not even traded today. But it's just, that's how cookie crumbles. You gotta be able to survive when it's not good. That's why I try to tell Jesse all the time, like, don't focus so much on the good times, but how can you survive when you have chaos everywhere and it's not working out for you? Put yourself in a position where you can survive that, then you have a better chance of coming out on the other side.
Yeah. Hey, Hi-Fi, you know what's funny too is that most recent blowout, I had 3 opportunities to get out at break even, and I wanted that friggin' $200. I had opportunity after opportunity to just get out of that and take a break and start over. Didn't do it.
But hey, like that's been the MO. Hey, that's what I did this morning. I was trying to get more, trying to go through the low today. And then because it didn't work out. And I kept trying. Then I got red. And then I was done after that. I was cooked. So. Yeah, I'm in a trade right now. I'm in an NQ trade. Hey, Eddie, have a good night.
Market stalker. Yeah, this morning I did a lot more trading than I should have for sure because I was just fighting the damn market.
It's funny how we can, when things aren't going good, one, we can stay in a losing trade way longer than a winning trade, or we just keep fighting back, trying to fight back. It's amazing how we do that. When things are going good, I'm going to take it. Woo, I'm done. Woo! You go celebrate.
And then it's like, because I was already down, I found myself just closing the winning trades quicker. Like, oh, dude, I need that 300. Let me get that. And then it goes like, I could have made 800 or 900 on it. It's like, when you get down and you're fighting back, it's not easy. Not easy.
Yeah. Hey, Crawford, no, he went kaboom. Kaboom. And that's the other thing. So with the prop accounts, we're on a tight leash. Which, if you think about it, if he had that money in a live account, that's a lot more money he would have lost than what he paid for the eval.
Oh, for sure. For sure. I mean, so I'm not complaining too bad about it, but it's like I've got to fix those issues for sure. Yeah, Crawford, were you here last night? So guys, I remember last night I had like 2 winners and 3 losers, and I think I battled back to being up like $120 or something. So then this morning it was a fight. I was up, down, red, green, and ended up getting about $520. And I said, you know what? I'm done. Just done. This has been crazy. Way overtraded. I was just happy to be green. So I shoved the monitors off to the side. And then I start hearing the sounds, and it pulled me back in.
Jesse.
And then I proceeded to, I think I had another couple losers, couple winners. I battled a little bit more, and then I started getting some emergency calls from work. I got tangled up. I was on a phone call. I was short. The market started ripping. It was that news. Some news happened earlier today. We got that big old candle. What time was that? I don't remember when that was.
The big
market,
one?
Yeah, the market just started ripping, and I was like, dude, I couldn't concentrate. I had my speakers were muted because I was on a work call, so I couldn't hear what was happening with Bookmap, and it was a disaster. My fault, too. Crazy.
It was a disaster. I like it. Let's keep it going. Hey, Raj, you still in that trade? Oh. Let's go. Like, I'm trying to hold it down to... Bands come up a little bit. So I'm trying to hold it down to this band. Right there. Are we going to make it? Come on. Just keep going. If it goes down, I'll be happy, actually. If it makes it down, I'll be like, yes. Oh, hey, Randy, what's up?
What's up, Randy? Hey, $5? Woohoo!
Hopefully you've been trading better than I have today. Yeah, there's a lot of liquidity up there in the NASDAQ. You see that, Jesse?
Let me check.
Look.
Are they falling up?
There,
oh, yeah.
up here through
trailing. All right, they're trailing it down. So those are probably people's stops. They're short. They're trailing their stops down. That's what I'm guessing.
It'd have to be a stop limit. Can't be a stop market.
I
don't think it'll show up.
Yeah. I'm always confused by that because for example, when I put a trade on Ninja, my stop, like the little tag says LMT on it. But
so you have a limit. Because you have it on limit, not market.
Yeah, but
oh no.
Why would I do that though? That's stupid, right? You want your stop loss to be a market order for sure. So is that something I changed inadvertently or something?
Maybe on accident.
I'm gonna look for that setting. Hold on.
Yeah, I'm short right now. I'm really been short my whole life, but maybe that's why I like to short.
Let's see, trading. Maybe there's a setting that I turned on or off or something.
I'm almost at 400 on this trade. There we go. Woohoo! Yeah, I think I'm up $10 for the session with all those losses. Let's go. We hit my objective. I was looking for that band right there to get tested. We hit it. So I'm good.
Nice trade.
So now I need to not hurry up and get into another trade. Wait and try to plan out a better opportunity and smash it.
So anyways, I checked my ATM properties and I do not have the little checkbox check that says stop limit for stop loss. So I don't know why on the screen it says LMT, but I know stops are market orders by default on pretty much all platforms, right? Because you want a guaranteed out if it hit your stop.
Not necessarily.
Really?
I mean, you want it to be, but
I don't know.
Should say STP.
Yeah, it says STP.
Oh, that's right. You said S.
Oh yeah, it says STP. Yeah.
It don't say LMT or whatever.
No. But there's but so what I'm confused by is if you go into the properties of your ATM and then hit more,
Yeah.
they have a little checkbox for stop limit for stop loss. So I guess, that's if you want to force it to be a limit instead of. So, all right. So if people traders are doing that, then those could be stops up there for shorts. But
hey, so here's a funny story. I think I've told this one on stream. Hey, so back in the day, I learned more about stop loss and limit orders and stuff. And I kept having a stop market order. I'd get slipped on the exit. Then I read about you can put in a stop limit order. Oh man, perfect. Then I won't lose more. We get some big news event. It jumps past my stop and I'm working. So I put the trade on. Whatever happens. I come back. I'm like, what the? And I'm just getting smoked in this trade. And you can see my limit order just up there. Big FU candle right down.
Yeah, I mean, the thing is it's, they do like a first in, first out. They prioritize people with larger orders on. So if you got a single, you're in trouble with it.
Well, no, it should be whoever's in front of the book, whoever got in first, whoever's order was on the book first. Now there is games that the HFTs can play to special commands to jump the book, but yeah, we're gonna be doing a Pretty account giveaway today. Hey Jesse, something I forgot to mention. I don't think you were on here when I talked about it, but I was talking with my contact over there today, and I misexplained it. So people are like, you got. It takes you 15 days to get funded. That's not really true, because if you look down here, so if you take an evaluation, it takes you minimum 5 days to pass. So that would be any one of these 3 accounts down here, and we're gonna be giving away the 50K EOD account tonight and tomorrow. Wait, what's tonight? Nope, not tomorrow. Maybe we'll do a giveaway in a video or something tomorrow on social media. But in this account, you can pass it in 5 days. And then that's just like you're starting in step 2 in the Sim Funded. Everything you make in Sim Funded, you take with you to live. Now, Sim Funded, you got to trade 10 days, but that's your money you're building. You build up $100,000 in Sim Funded, you move $100,000 to a live account. And you can withdraw on day number 1 in the live funded account. And you can withdraw every single day in the live funded account. They don't have any crazy news rules, no consistency rules. Hey, and the no consistency rule also applies in the instant funded account. 3,000 EOD for your drawdown and $3,000 profit target. That right there is step 2. If you make more than $3,000 within the 10 days, you take all that money with you to live and you can withdraw on day number 1. However, do not drain the account all the way. So don't do that. Otherwise, you will get banned. They're looking for traders that really want to trade, not just play around with a sim account and take all the money out. So if you guys want to check out Perdia, link in the description box down below. Use code Mike. And what time is it? Maybe we should do a duck race now. I just got that trade that buy some more time, so I don't do anything stupid. Yeah, I put little obstacles in the way, so I don't do anything crazy. I gotta pull up Nightbot. Gotta pull up the little duckies. No, it's not Apex. That's Perdia. Apex does have new accounts, and Apex sale ends tonight. So if you want to take advantage of that, you can also use code Mike. What did I do here? There we go, Nightbot. Dashboard giveaway. Bam. Next. Pull the email. Now, if you guys want a chance to win, you have to be signed up to the email list down below. And your email's got to be confirmed. If your email's not confirmed, then you're simply going to forfeit. I don't know. Do we want to run the duck race again or give it to second place? I don't know. We'll figure that out if we cross that bridge. All right. Oh, I got to pull up duckies. Mr. Ducky, where you at? Quack, quack, quack. All right. Hit your DLL on the PA, switch to eval. I actually don't, I mean, I prefer not to have a DLL, but it is good and it's bad. It'll stop you from blowing up the account one day. But, you know, we kind of get frustrated that they're going to limit how much we can make. All right, let's see. All right, so I'm going to give out the key phrase here in a second. So if you guys want a chance to win, make sure you sign up to email list down below. Email list is the first link in the description box down below. So if you hurry up, you might be able to sign up and confirm the email before the race is over. All right, I'm dropping the code. 3, 2, 1, boop. Code has been dropped.
Go. All right, copy and paste that whole code in the chat.
All right, Eagle Eye is going to be number 1. Bam.
Earn your spot in the duck race. Let's go.
Names, edits.
Hey, what size account is this, Perdia?
50K EOD.
50K. All right. End of day. Okay.
50K EOD.
Frank, you only got the word Mike in there. That's not going to work. You need the whole code like everybody else is doing.
All right, there's duck number 2. Duck number 3. It's going to be Larry.
Larry's in.
Larry's in the duck race. T4 keeps 007. Man, that noise is getting me. I'm like, what's the market doing? Mr. Someone. Mr. Ben. Yeah, Mr. Ben. It's hard for me to read. Crawford. Like some of them I can read, but some of them, man, it's like my eyes are just horrible. 1, 2, 3. So we got 6 so far. So we got 4 more to pick. Apple's in the race. Uh-oh.
Oh, boy.
I wonder if he's going to bring all the sports balls with him. Alley Cat. Is that what that says?
Alley Cat, yeah.
Yeah, Alley Cat.
2 more.
2 more. Dos. Atomic Trader. They're going to be the number 9 spot.
Atomic's in.
And last but not least, bam. Robert. He's been in a lot of the races lately. He hasn't won anything, so he's probably due to win.
Robert's probably due. Let's get it.
All right, let's go see who's going to win this.
All right, everybody make sure you're live on the stream. Hit the live button so you're not behind. Let's go.
Oh, crap. I just did way too many zeros.
Yeah.
It's going to be a 10-hour race.
We don't want a 10-hour race.
Oh, my goodness.
Okay, a 1-minute sprint for the win. Let's get it.
Bam.
Let's go.
Quack. Oh, man. Old lady, Eagle Eye, trying to take the lead.
Okay, Larry's first time in the race. Where's Larry's duck at? I'm rooting for you, Larry.
I don't see him in the lead, so he has a good shot probably. Oh, Larry must be number 3. Is Larry number 3? Oh, yeah, Larry's number 3.
There's Larry.
See, look, we start talking about Larry. He's like, oh, yeah.
Where's Robert at? Oh, Robert's up there. Okay.
Yeah, Robert's number 10.
Atomic's sitting a nice. He's putting in a nice swim.
Whack.
I like Larry's position and Atomic.
I'm not back far enough. I think Apple's gonna get it.
I think Atomic. Oh, it might be Apple. Oh,
Apple and all of his sports balls.
Oh, brought your A game.
All right. Hey, Apple, what's the first 3 letters of your email? First 3 letters. JMA. Bam. Bet you it's this one.
I'm pretty sure Mike's got a couple more Perdia accounts to do more duck races next week, right?
Yep.
I think so.
I have probably 10 or 15.
Oh, wow.
Ish.
You guys better tune in.
All right, so let's see.
Better train those ducks.
Train them.
Obviously, double dose of Red Bull works pretty well, Apple.
Look, this market's still going down. I should have stayed in that short.
Good night, JD.
We're going to go all the way back down to the VWAP. Hey, JD, good night.
No, because if you would have stayed in that short, it would have ripped up and taken out the high.
I would have been making all that money.
We both know how it really works. Come on.
Hey, it's my fantasy. All right, stop it. All right, I'm sick of hearing this duck quack in my ear. All right. I don't know why I can't find the email I'm looking for.
JMA?
Oh, there it is. Yeah. No, I found that. I was finding the the little template with what they have to do.
Yeah, Farlow, I wish I had done that.
What?
Only had one trade this week, not feeling comfortable enough to trade this nonsense.
Hey, Apple, I just sent you an email. So, hey, Chris, see you later. Thanks for stopping by. So, Apple, as soon as you send that back to me, I will forward it over to my contact at Perdia, but it probably won't be till sometime later tomorrow before you hear back from them. They will be emailing you and helping you get that account all set up. And make sure you give them all your information, phone number, first, last name. They need all that to give to the CME to get the live data going for you. I don't need that information, but they will. All right,
Eric, yeah, Mike will be live in the morning for sure, but there's no stream on Friday nights.
What, we're not going to stream Friday night? What are you doing?
I mean, I'm game, but you'll be streaming from from a sports bar or something.
Yeah, I won't be here. Yeah. I mean, I really wish I just would not even have traded this morning. I had all that stress for what? For nothing. Was not worth it. One bit. But.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we're going to go all the way back down to the VWAP. Let's go check where the Nikkei and HSI are doing.
Hey, we've got a what Spot Gamma calls a combo level, okay? We got a combo L3 at 25,077.
And what does that mean?
I think it's similar to Mentor Q's blind spots. Those are combination levels. I think. I'm not educated on it, so I'm just speculating.
The best phobia get hit by a trader. Yeah, we're probably going to do a giveaway. You guys want to pay attention to the email list too. I'm probably going to do a giveaway maybe tomorrow night or Saturday through the email list as well.
Hey, I misspoke. It's a converted level. So 25,077 is converted up to 25,251. So it's just below us. So 251 is a level to watch for this pullback here.
All right, so let's go see NQ real quick. Let's go look at that VWAP. Coming right back down towards it. I think we're going to get it.
Larry, I don't know what package I have at Mentor Q. I bought the I bought like a 2 or 3 year. What is it?
Oh, no.
No, Mentor Q. I don't know what it was. They ran a special like that was months and months ago. I bought like a 2-year deal.
Oh, I have it too.
Yeah, Mike and I both got it. I can't remember. I don't know what I guess I could sign in. Let's just do that. I'll sign in.
I don't know if it tells you, does it?
Yeah, maybe not. Maybe in the accounts section or something. I don't know. I'll take a look for you. I didn't know they had different whatchamacallits. Oh, mine says premium. So if that tells you anything, let me go. So I got the premium multi-year for 2 years.
Say when your expiration date is?
Yeah. Expires February 18th of 28. So we got it back in Feb.
Did I get day before you or same day?
I think it was you got it. I got it first, and then you were
No,
like,
I got it because remember I got mine all set up. You're like, I can't get in.
That's
Remember?
right. That's right. You did get it first.
I
Maybe
got it like
day
a couple hours
me.
before you did.
Yeah.
They'll use micro or mini. The past evals, I normally trade minis. Then once they're passed, I trade micros. And when I say micros, my max position is 2 contracts. 2. So, yeah, Pretty as fire. I like my Pretty account. I'm just in drawdown in it. I'm down a couple $100 in it right now. In the 100K instant funded account. So long as I don't blow it up, once I come out of this funk, I should be sitting in a pretty good spot. Hopefully. Knock on wood. So.
I think I'm going to try a long off this level. If we get to 77, I think I'm going to try a long.
Well, hey, short term, we're oversold right here. You see the green background.
Oh, they're going to go without me. Darn it.
Where's that level at? You said 25 what?
77. Hopefully get one more little leg down to that spot. I'm going to
177 or 277?
No, 25.77. Oh, I'm sorry. Jesus. I keep looking
I'm like, whoa. I was like, I know I had a rough day. I'm looking, I'm like,
no, I'm looking at the converted number. Sorry, it's 251. 251.
All right, 251. How did you get the other number, the 7?
It shows it to here. You want me to share my screen? I'll show it off.
Yeah, show it.
Let's see. Let me share my screen with you guys.
When you're ready.
With you fine folks. How do I do that again? Oh, over here. Share screen, entire screen. Share. There we go. I'm in.
All right, I got your screen up.
Okay, so you can see we got this green line or teal below us and above us.
Yeah.
So the one down here is what I'm talking about. It says combo L3, and it tells you the dollar amount, 25,077. So that's probably the NDX index converted up to NQ's number of 251. You see that?
Okay.
Oh. And then the one up here is the call wall on QQQ converted up to the NQ price of.
Hey, can you see that call wall and stuff in the back end of Spot Gamma?
I've never tried to look, but I'm sure you could if I go look up the QQQ.
What would you look at though? The Hero or the Trace or what?
Hero would do it. Trace wouldn't do it because Trace is only for SPX. But let's see. Equity Hub might do it too. Yeah, Equity Hub would do it. Equity Hub or Hero, either one would do it.
Oh.
So I'm guessing if I go to Hero and I go to NASDAQ, it should show me. Actually, I don't know if it converts levels on the Hero. It's a good question. I don't know. Let me get this out of the way. What's it at? 282?
He said that's cool as AF, whatever it is. Maybe we should have took that long off that low regression channel being short-term oversold, had the delta divergence.
Yeah.
It only worked because I didn't take it.
It was bouncing out of that ATR band too, darn it. All right, so it's at the 23.6 right now.
Oh, wow. Second deviations. Wow, Raj, that's all the way down at 25,191. That's back near the lows of tonight. Holding the shorts from 25,290. Nice. Hey, good job on the hold. Oh.
Yeah, I wonder if this combo L3 can be a target or if that was the long and I just missed it. Let's see. JD. Yeah, you said good night a while ago. I was talking about Mentor Q and Spot Gamma. Who's this Gex guy, Mike?
I don't know. Found him on the side of the road, started talking to him. Sounded pretty interesting.
All right, Hi-Fi. See you tomorrow morning.
See you tomorrow. I'll have the market makers.
Larry, Mentor Q. No, Mentor Q levels, they're on my chart. Let's see if I can find you one. But they don't update till about 11 o'clock Eastern at night. These are Spot Gamma levels, these teal ones.
Yeah, are they updated right now, or do you think they're from today?
I don't know how Spot Gamma does that. No idea. I'm not educated enough on it. I don't have any friggin' Mentor.
Hey, Raj, good night. Hey, Raj, you get out that short? Yeah, CPI should be fun tomorrow. Hey, if you guys do trade with prop firms, if they have a tier 1 news rule, tomorrow CPI is considered a tier 1 news event. All right, perfect. Let me forward this over. Since
Larry, sorry, I do have Mentor Q on my ninja charts, but I'm only using the intraday converted levels from the indices. And so there's nothing showing up right now because the NDX is not open and trading, I don't think. So otherwise you'd see some Mentor Q plots on my chart too. The percentages, no, that's just the buying and selling pressure over the course of X amount of bars. It's an indicator I wrote. I'll give ChatGPT most of the credit. But the teal, those teal colored lines, that is Spot Gamma's NinjaTrader integration.
interesting. All right, thanks for showing up. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. I want to do another trade, but I just don't want a loss.
Yeah, tell me about it.
I was like, man, I had a rough day today. Today was rough.
Could have been worse, dude. You could have been wearing my shoes.
I mean, that could happen tomorrow. You know, any one day, I mean, it can happen. You never know when.
Hey, do we still have all that inventory above us? It kind of thinned out a little bit. I think they were just trying to push the market down. Interesting. We got 64 contracts up at 300.
Yeah, we had those earlier. I wonder if we're going to go back and visit it. We have some liquidity down below us as I look at it, but there's not very many contracts there. 21 right here, and then 16.
Yeah.
Scrolling down, I don't see a whole lot. Like we have 44 down here at 76. But I feel like that's a mile away. Hey, Atomic, see you in the morning. Gold is selling. Let's go look. Oh yeah, gold's down 52. Huh. GC. Oh yeah. That was a decent little move in gold. Crude oil is still just going sideways. Crude oil's like, all right, you guys got a deal or no deal?
Lemix, that's not Mentor Q, that's Spot Gamma. It's converting the call wall from 610 up to 282 from QQQ. But again, that might be like, you know, earlier today's levels. I don't know. I'm curious, like, where does, let me go look at Mentor. Let me go look at Mentor Q's QQQ.
Hey, you know, it's pretty funny if you look on the SPY. Hey, 6803 is the highest gamma level right now.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so indices and stocks. Let me put in QQQ. Let's see. QQQ.
Oh, wow.
Why is it not doing it?
Interesting.
Come on, Mentor.
6800. I don't think about taking it long.
Huh.
Yeah, you can put spot gamma levels on your chart. Yep.
It's in the drop down, but it's not letting me choose it. What the heck?
Trade the QQQ strikes on the NQ. Nice. A little ABC pattern up right here. Yeah, I missed it. I don't know. 274 is the target.
Oh, there we go. All right.
Do I dare? I want to take a swing at this. Hmm. $274 is the target. Just in case we want to squeeze out, move my target way out of the way. Hey, Jesse, I want you to trade gold.
No.
Come on, look at all the money you make. Come on, a little bit more. Let's go. 274. Let me reach all that target out for you guys. I don't know why I deleted it. 274. Can we get it?
So gold's moving right now 35 ticks per minute, while NQ is only moving 16 ticks per minute. So you're right, Brian. It's moving.
I mean, technically, everything's moving. Everything goes to the right.
Yeah.
Is it straight to the right? Is it right and up or right and down?
Eric, yes. Yeah, but the problem is the option.
Wow. They said liquidity on the ES. 320 something contracts. I think it's a spoof order though, because if you look back, order was here, then they moved it down. Then they moved it up a little bit. It really hasn't been on the books that long. So we'll see. Don't tell me I should have took my $70. We shouldn't have been muted. We're gonna see if they. Hold on. Talk. Oh, hold on. They can hear you now.
Oh.
They missed all your conversation.
Oh, they missed all of that?
Yeah.
Oh, because you had me muted on the other scene in OBS.
Yeah.
Oh, Mikey. Amateur.
Well, hey, I did it because when I was switching before, your thing was on when you weren't on there. So
yeah.
I turned it off the other night.
I'm
so
back.
hey, repeat everything you just said.
Oh, geez, Louise. I don't even know how long you been on the book maps scene.
Hey, just rewind. Hey, word for word. Don't skip a word.
Okay, Eric, what I was saying is the options chain on the NQ itself and the index NDX, the volume on it is not substantial enough, in my opinion, to be trading futures on it, right? Or to help it, help it make futures decisions. So what I personally do is I watch the SPX levels on NQ and ES. So mainly all I'm concerned with is the market makers hedging their positions and where that's going to, where and which direction that's going to happen at. And so I think of it like this. The NQ is just an exaggeration of the ES, right? At least for the last 4 years that I've been trading. I'm sure there are times that, in fact, yeah, I've seen them move in opposite directions sometimes, but anyways, I use the SPX levels to help my decision making on trading NQ.
Yeah, a couple people in chat saying the QQQ levels are good for the NQ.
Yeah. And so Mentor Q's got that QQQ stuff. So does Spot Gamma. Vol Signals, which is the other big one out there, but they only do SPX. I think. I don't want to misspeak. But essentially, Spot Gamma's integration automatically converts the QQQ. I think it does NDX too, actually, but and so does Mentor Q. They'll convert levels from QQQ, NDX, and put them on your NQ chart.
Get it. Go up. Can you make my trade go up? Please.
I mean, you're in the green.
I was up 70 at the high, though.
I friggin' sat here for however long and haven't even taken one trade. I'm feeling left out.
Hey, full port, make up for it.
No.
I'm just joking.
That's the stupid crap I did this morning. Yeah, before I knew it, I had 10 contracts on that short.
Never works for me when I do that.
And then that news came out and it just ripped my face off.
Yeah, I had a friend of mine he started trading the ES futures, and many years ago. He goes, "Hey, I figured out how to beat the stock market." I was like, "What's that?" He goes, "You just get in, and as the day goes on, you just keep adding to it." He goes, "It always comes back." I said, "Hey, it doesn't always." Yeah, it does. I've tested it. Always comes back. I said, "Well, where's your stop loss? You don't need one. It comes back. You just keep adding into them. Like, it's gonna end badly." There was one day it just kept plowing down. I call him up around 1 o'clock. I said, "Hey, still in that trade?" "Yeah, I'm going to be adding to it some more." It's like, all right. Then it was a big day in the S&P. End of the day, I call him up. It's about 345, 350. I said, "Hey, you still in that trade?" He goes, "Yeah." I said, "When are you going to get out?" He goes, "I don't know." I called him. They said I'll have to be out till 4:30. Hey, after hours, it just kept going against them. I ended up calling him like later on after 6 o'clock or whatnot. And I said, "How'd it work?" He goes, "Oh man, I lost so much money." He lost like $30,000 on the trade.
Oh
You kept
Man.
DCAing into it. Yeah, DCA works until it doesn't. Well said.
Yep.
I used to like the DCA. I still do on the micros, but it gets ugly sometimes. We're almost out. I'm looking to get out at 74. That ABC target, I'm looking to get out. Right there. Come on. Please. Didn't hit 74 yet. Come on. Let's get looking at a big old. Brrr. $15K on Tesla. ER got smoked. Yeah, I've never done good on earnings. Never ever. I'm just gonna get out. I'm not gonna play it. I'm gonna get out.
Homie, don't play that.
Close enough to my target. I should have got it up there, but at least now I'm at least at session highs. So that's the only good news, but it's not a big night for me. We got CPI tomorrow. I do not want a down day on a Friday.
Yeah.
So I like to get up pretty big on Thursday night, and that's not happening tonight. I am wore out.
Me too. I don't blame you.
Market's moving slow. They're just gonna be waiting for any news about the talks going on tomorrow and Saturday. We got CPI data coming out in the morning. So I don't see.
SWA just got a win. All right.
Nice. Hey, good deal on that. For me today, they're far and few between.
Yeah, same here.
Oh man.
Actually, my winners and losers were equal. I was like 51%. The problem is that final loser.
Hey, MacDill Air Force Base, police are all out there.
Uh-oh, what?
I don't know. I see it on social media.
What are they doing out there?
Oh. Man, I could have got that target.
Oh,
I got scared out. That's fine though. That's fine.
hey, why is my financial juice on April 16th? What the? Let me refresh this. This is weird. Okay, there we go. CPI's at what time? 8:30 in the morning.
Yep. How do we deal with taxes? Get into my account. They tell me how much to pay. I pay quarterly taxes myself. I paid mine beginning of this month.
Oh, yeah.
I think
remember
last
too,
Friday. Last Friday I paid them.
at 10 a.m., you got more market moving stuff. The U.S. factory orders and also the University of Michigan sentiment.
At 10 o'clock, that usually inflation expectation and then the sentiment you can usually cause a trend day on a Friday.
Yeah, that'll get the market ripping.
Hey, there's an oil refinery in Mexico on fire.
What?
Yeah. I'm just scrolling through social media looking for any news. Huh. Oh well.
Yeah, I
but
need to.
go ahead.
Oh, I was gonna say I want to find a news source other than Financial Juice that's faster and quick and
I scrolled through
includes
Twitter.
yeah, like includes like geopolitical stuff too, you know.
I wonder why the cops are at the Air Force Base.
Yeah.
I reside in the United States. Me and Jesse are like hours and hours and hours. Actually, we're days away. He's on one coast, I'm on the other.
Yeah, that's even a hell of an airplane ride too, I bet. Yeah, I've gone to Miami twice before, but that's way down there.
There are more and more drive-by shooting attacks against the security forces of the Islamic regime in Iran.
Really?
That's what it shows it, man. It shows the guys like they're filming themselves doing it.
That's crazy.
Yeah. That's funny.
Stay broke. I'm in California. We're on opposite coasts. Well, actually, technically, you're not on the East Coast, really.
I know I'm on the South Coast.
Justin lives in Alaska.
Actually, I met someone in Costa Rica that lived in Alaska. Hey, he only works 6 months a year. During the winter, whenever it's dark, I think that was winter, he just travels around the world. So he has to keep his residency. He has to be in the country more than 6 months, and he gets his oil check. Then he gets to keep his residency so he can do fishing charters and whatnot. And he made this is, man, probably back in 2016, 15 or 16, I met the guy, and he was making $200,000 a year, only working 6 months a year. That's not bad.
Not bad. Yeah, Yoda, don't even get me started on the tax. Mike and I talk about this all the time. Oh, boy. Yeah, California ain't easy, folks. Not at all.
It is if you don't have a job.
Yeah, if you don't
You're
have
doing
a
it
job.
wrong. Yeah, job.
Yeah.
We already did the giveaway. But we have another one. We'll be doing another giveaway tomorrow, either on social media. Definitely doing one on the main channel. In the morning. Gonna do one, at least one with the email list over the weekend.
Sods, I like it. Good idea.
Which I gotta get. Yeah, I'm gonna go look at this. I gotta get Starlink. I'm gonna end up forgetting to get it.
Frank, no, it opens at 6:30 a.m. my time. So I usually wake up around 5:45 and clear my throat and wake up a little bit and then tune into Mike's main channel. Let's put a link in there, by the way. If there's anybody new, make sure you're subscribed to Mike's main channel. He does a great
Whoa,
pre-show.
you gotta make me go pull this up now.
Great pre-show every morning to help you prep.
Yeah, just do the opposite of what I did this morning. You would have made so much money.
So yeah, tune into him. I watch the Open with all you guys on his channel, and then I don't trade the first 30 minutes. I don't even touch it.
I don't know how you can do that.
I like to see how, if we're going to be rangy or if we're going to be trending. I like to let it play out for a bit first.
Yeah, I think I need unlimited. Hey, because my room in Costa Rica doesn't even have a TV, so if I get unlimited Starlink, I can go ahead and watch Netflix.
Oh yeah,
I'll be streaming a lot. I'll be streaming a lot when I'm not in the water, probably.
Yeah.
Showing people how I go over the higher time frame charts to place my trades.
Yeah. So anyway, there's the link in the chat, guys. Make sure you're all subscribed over there. XAU USD up or down? I don't know. I don't watch the financials.
That's gold. That's gold. I believe. See, look, here's XAU. And, see, look, spot gold.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. But gold's probably coming back towards the VWAP right now. And again, we have CPI data coming out tomorrow, so. No, hey, Brian, it didn't say you won. It said to win. Click on the link in the description box down below, or in the email. Leave a comment under that video. The other email, a lot of people misread in which I haven't got another email in the last couple of days from that. Finally. So.
Oh, Eric, I know. Eric, trust me, I agreed 100%. I was already in the trade. I was in the trade, and these people called me like 3 times, and I knew it was important. So I was like, oh, jeez. So, I mean, I had no choice, unfortunately. Darn it.
Don't we always have a choice?
Well, I guess, yeah, I could have closed the trade, actually. Yeah, could have closed the trade.
Hmm.
And at that point, I was only down a few $100 in that trade, too. Maybe 300-ish.
Card adapter. Roof rack. Ability mount.
Quit your job. I'm definitely not there yet. That's for damn sure.
Hey, you can't be.
But I like the way you're thinking, Eric.
Hey, look, if you quit your job, you won't have to pay taxes or anything. Oh, what the F? They're gonna make me do PayPal or I can't do Apple Pay on the computer. I'm trying to go ahead and buy my Starlink.
Just do it from your phone, then you can do Apple Pay. Double click.
But now I gotta go get all this crap again. Yeah, I'll do it tomorrow. I'm being lazy. Just move the link to your phone. I don't feel like doing it right now. I did. They had me in the mood, and then they dropped the ball in the sale. Yeah, they ruined it.
They ruined it.
Ruined it. I was gonna go buy it. And it's really a little bit early. I don't need it yet.
Do you remember how difficult it was to buy your gate? Sorry to bring up bad memories.
Had a lot of bad memories lately. No, you can't do Amex. You can't do American Express. Only Apple, GPay, or PayPal.
Oh.
So. Oh well.
Sods, have a good night.
Yeah, I might go to bed too. I'm pretty tired. Market's not moving, and I'm at equity highs.
I'd like to eat dinner at some point, so I'm good to call it a night whenever you are, dude.
Yeah, I think I'm going to. We got CPI coming out tomorrow. We have to worry about headline news coming out. I'm at equity highs for the night. I can leave on a good note, and I think it'd be a good place to cut it off.
Yeah.
All right. Hopefully, you guys will come back and join me next week. And if you guys want a chance to win another prop account in the morning, join me tomorrow on the main channel. Yeah, we'll be streaming starting at 8 a.m. in the morning. If you guys want to check out, there's the link. And I look forward to seeing you guys during the next stream. All right, guys. Take care.